Hi children, good morning. I am very happy to see you again in this English class. Today I am going to teach you English class 1, term 1, unit 2, part 2. The title of the lesson is Playtime. Children, before going to the next session, I would like to introduce some animals for you. Okay? Do you like animals? Very good. Now I am going to teach some animals for you. Okay? Look here children. What is this? See? What is this? This is a jaguar. Say all of you. Jaguar. Okay. What is the color of the jaguar? It is yellow in color. In the previous class, we have studied about yellow color, isn't it? We studied about the color of the sun. Okay, very good. So this is jaguar and it runs very fast. Okay, children, do you want to speak with the jaguar? Jaguar, can you speak a little for the children? I am jaguar. I can run very fast. Very good. Jaguar runs very fast. Children, do you know where is the home of the jaguar? Wow, very good. It lives in the forest. Okay. Its home is in the forest. Okay. What's the name? Jaguar. Very good. J for jaguar. Very good. J for jaguar. Very good. Jaguar runs very fast. It lives in the forest. It is yellow in color. Okay. Very good. Children, look at the screen. Here you can see kangaroo. Say all of you. Kangaroo. Very good. Kangaroo. Repeat after me. Very good. Kangaroo. Okay. This kangaroo also runs very fast. How many kangaroos are there in the screen? 1, 2, 3. Very good. There are 3 kangaroos on the screen. Okay. It lives in forest and it has a small bag in its stomach. Children, it has a small bag in its stomach. Okay. It is used for carrying the small kangaroos. Okay. Children, kangaroo has a small bag in his stomach and it is used for carrying the small kangaroos. Okay. It runs very fast and it is in Australia. Very good. Kangaroo. Say all of you. Kangaroo. Very good. What's this, children? This is a lion. Do you want to see the real lion? Children, look here. What is this? This is a lion. Say all of you. Lion. What is the other name of the lion? Do you know? King of the forest. Okay. Say all of you. King of the forest. Okay. It is very bold. It fights very well. See? What is the color of the lion? It is brown in color. Say all of you. It is brown in color. Okay. Do you like lions very much? Wow. You like? Very good. Lion, will you talk with the children? I am the king of the forest. Don't come near by me. See what the lion says? It is the king of the forest and we should not go near the lion. Okay. So lion lives in the forest. Okay. Lion lives in the forest. His home is in the forest. Okay. Very good. Lion. Repeat after me. Lion. Very good. The next one is giraffe. Say all of you children. Giraffe. Say louder. Giraffe. Once again. Giraffe. Very good. See, the giraffe is very tall. Okay, the giraffe is very tall and it lives in forest. Okay, like other animals, this giraffe also has its home in the forest. Okay, and do you know what the giraffe eats? Shall we ask the giraffe? Giraffe, what do you eat? I eat grass. See, the giraffe eats grass. Okay, eats the leaves of the plants and trees. Do you like it? Very good. Giraffe is very good. Okay. So, children, once again, what is its name? Giraffe. Say all of you. Giraffe. Very good. What is this? This is a rabbit. Say all of you. Rabbit. Louder. Rabbit. What's the color of the rabbit? This looks white. Say all of you. White. Very good. What is the color of its mouth? See the mouth. It is red in color. Say all of you. It is red in color. Okay. And the rabbit eats nuts very much. Okay. It eats nuts very much. Children, once again you tell rabbit. You should not say rabbit. It is not a rabbit. Rabbit. Okay. Rabbit. Very good. Children, look here. What's this? This is a parrot. Say all of you. Parrot. You should not say parrot. Okay. This is parrot. Okay. Once again. Parrot. Very good. What is the color of the parrot? The parrot is green in color. Say all of you. Green in color. Children, look at the screen. What is this? This is a frog. Okay. What do you say? Frog. Repeat after me. Frog. Very good. Frog. What is the color of the frog? Can you guess? This is green in color. Say all of you. The frog is green in color. Okay. And see the eyes of the frog. How many eyes does a frog have? The frog has 2 big eyes. Okay. So what's the name of the thing? It's a frog. Say all of you. Frog. Very good. Children, what is there on the screen? Wow. Monkey. Do you all like monkeys very much? Yes, we all like monkeys very much, isn't it? Have you ever seen monkeys? Very good. When you go to Kuttalam, you might have seen many monkeys, isn't it? In the mountainside, in the hillside, we can see lot of monkeys. Okay. And monkey has a long tail. Have you seen? Very good. Monkey. Say all of you. Monkey. It does a lot of mischiefs like you, isn't it? Very good. It jumps very fast and it jumps from tree to tree, isn't it? You all might have seen and enjoyed. Okay, so what's this? This is a monkey. Very good. What's this, children? This is a rat. What is this? This is a rat. Say all of you. This is not a rat. You should not say it as rat. This is rat. Say all of you. Rat. Very good. What is the color of the rat in the screen? The rat is black in color. Children, where is the house of the rat? Can you guess? Very good. It lives in our houses too, isn't it? It lives in the forest it lives in the street and it lives in the houses also, isn't it? Very good. What is this? Rat. Children, look at the screen. What is this? Nuts. Say all of you. Nuts. Very good. Nuts. Very good. Nuts are very good for your health. If you eat nuts, you become strong and beautiful. Okay. So you can eat a lot of nuts. Parrots, do you know? Parrots eat nuts very much. Do you understand? Parrots eat nuts very much. So what is this? Nuts. Very good. Nuts. Nuts. So daily you eat a nut and you say strong. Okay. Children, look at this beautiful colorful parrot. How does it look? It looks very beautiful, isn't it? It is colorful. How many colors does the wing have? In the wing, it has red, blue, yellow, green, white too. Okay, so the parrot is beautiful with all its beautiful colors. Okay, what is the bird? Parrot. All of you say parrot. Parrot. Say after me. Parrot. Very good. Parrot. Children, the next bird is quail. Say all of you. Quill. Once again. Quill. Children, be louder. Say quill. Very good. Quill. Look at this. This is a fish. Say all of you. What is this? This is a fish. Where is the home of the fish? Do you know? Where is its home? It lives in water. Okay. It lives in water. Very good. What is this? Fish. All of you say fish. Louder. Fish. Very good. So this is a fish. What is the color of the fish? It is white in color and the bottom of the fish is black in color. What is the color of its mouth? It is red in color. Say all of you. Red. Very good. And it has a tongue also. See the tongue? The tongue is beautiful and it is orange in color. Say all of you. Orange in color. Okay. So the fish also is colorful and it is white and also black. Okay. So what's this? This is a fish. Very good. What is this? This is a sea. Have you ever been to the sea? The sea water is salty. Have you ever tasted the water? The water is very salty and we can't drink it, isn't it? So fish lives in the sea. Very good. Wow, beautiful. What's this, children? I like this animal very much. What's this? This is a dolphin. All of you say. This is a dolphin. Okay. Say all of you, dolphin. When you say dolphin, your lip also should be in O position. Okay. Dolphin. Say all of you, dolphin. Very good. It lives in the seawater and it dances very well. Okay. And where is its home? Do you know? It lives in water and it dances very well. Okay. So what's the name of this animal? Dolphin. Very good. Next comes the crab. See all of you. Crab. What is crab? See how many legs it has. There are many legs, isn't it? And I feel very scary on seeing this crab. Do you? Wow. What's this? Crab. What is the color of the crab here? orange mixed with red, isn't it? So, what is the name of this animal? This is called crab. And where does it live? It lives both in land and also in water. Okay. If you go to the beach side, you can see crabs. Okay. Crab. All of you say crab. Very good. Crab. What's this, children? Looking like a horse? What's this? Can we ride on this? Is it a horse? No. It is a seahorse. Okay, say all of you. Seahorse. It lives in water. Okay? Seahorse lives in water. What's this? Seahorse. Say all of you. Seahorse. Very good. The next picture is starfish. Say all of you. Starfish. Children, are you guessing this as star? No. This is not a star. This is a fish. Okay. This is a fish and its shape is like a star. So, this is named as starfish. Okay. Starfish. Okay. Where is the home of the starfish? Do you know? Starfish lives in seawater. Okay. Starfish lives in seawater. Very good. So once again, what's the name of this fish? Starfish. Very good. Children, I think you are very tired after studying so many words. Are you bored? Shall I tell you a story? Okay, be ready. Sit straight. Smile. Very good. Now I am going to tell you a small story about the animals. Okay? Once there was a fish. Children, once there was a big sea. Many sea animals were there. And in the sea, all the animals were in white color. Okay? So far you have studied the colors also, isn't it? Very good. I think you know what is white, isn't it? So all the sea animals white in color. One day there came a fish to the big sea. Okay? And the fish was very colorful. In its body, it has all the colors like red, blue, yellow, white, black, orange, purple, and everything was there. Okay? And it was a magic fish. The fish came there. So all the sea animals looked at the fish and they liked the fish very much because it was colorful, but all the other animals were white in color, isn't it? So they liked the fish very much. So the magic fish came there and the dolphin met the magic fish. So the dolphin asked the magic fish, "Magic fish, will you give your blue color to me? I want to be blue. I like blue very much." So immediately the magic fish gave its blue color to the dolphin. So now the dolphin becomes blue in color. Okay. Next comes the dolphin was very happy and it thanked the magic fish. Next came the crab. Okay. The crab asked the magic fish to give orange color. Okay. What color it liked? It asked for orange color. Already we have studied about orange color, isn't it? So the crab wanted orange color. So the magic fish gave orange color to the crab. Okay. So now it's very proud. The crab becomes very happy. It said, "Yes, I am also beautiful like you." And the magic fish told, "Yes, yes, crab, you look very beautiful," it said. And the crab was very happy and it went away. Next came the seahorse. You remember the seahorse? Just now we have studied about the seahorse, isn't it? It lives in the sea, we saw already, isn't it? The seahorse came there and it wanted yellow color. Okay. What did the seahorse want? The seahorse wanted yellow color. So the magic fish also shared its yellow color to the seahorse. Okay. It gave its yellow color to the seahorse. So the seahorse said, "Thank you very much. Thank you very much, magic fish. I love you." Likewise, the seahorse thanked the magic fish and went away. And now the magic fish said, "Okay, seahorse, you look so pretty. You look so beautiful." So the seahorse was very happy and it went away. Now there came the starfish. Okay. The starfish wants red. Okay. What's the color it liked? It liked red color. Okay. So it came to the magic fish and asked, "Magic fish, will you give a red color to me? I like red very much." Magic fish shared its red color to the starfish. So the red went on very beautiful on the starfish. So the starfish was very happy and it also thanked the magic fish. So now in the sea, all the animals became colorful. Okay. Earlier, everyone was white in color. Now all became colorful. How? The magic fish gave colors to all the animals which lived in the sea. So now the sea also is very happy because the sea has now more colorful creatures. Okay. Now the sea also became very happy as there were many colorful living creatures there. So the sea thanked the magic fish. "Thank you, magic fish." The sea thanked the magic fish and everyone was happy. Children, I think you all might have enjoyed the story. Children, shall we do some reading activity? Are you interested? Okay. Look here. HIP, hip. Tell HIP, hip. Once again, HIP, hip. Very good. TIP, tip. TIP, tip. DIP, dip. Say all of you. DIP, dip. Very good. SIT, sit. Say all of you. SIT, sit. Very good. HIT, hit. Say all of you. HIT, hit. Very good. LIT, lit. Children, tell louder. LIT, lit. Very good. DIN, din. Say DIN, din. Very good. BIN, bin. BIN, bin. Repeat after me. BIN, bin. Very good. TIN, tin. TIN, tin. Very good. TIN, tin. Very good. BIT, bit. Tell children. BIT, bit. PIT, pit. PIT, pit. HIT, hit. Tell children. HIT, hit. Thank you children. See you all again.